We will use a radioactive source to blacken a photographic film. There is a dental X-ray film inside this sealed plastic bag. The bag also contains a developer and a fixer, so the film can be processed right after exposure. Put a small metal key on the film. Place a sealed radium source about 4 centimeters above the film using a radioactive source lifting tool. After 40 minutes, put the radium source back to its storage box using the lifting tool. Hold the film vertically. Release the developer and fixer by squeezing the liquid down. And rub the film for about 1 minute. Open the plastic bag and take out the film. Rinse the film thoroughly with water. Examine the film. Which part of the film is darkened?